I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tacoma tail light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new tail light assembly. Having a clean cloth handy is also a good idea for wiping down surfaces. This simple task can be done with basic tools, saving you time and money on a mechanic. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the old tail light. Begin by opening your tailgate to easily access the two retaining screws on the inside edge of the tail light. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck, to release it from its clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. With the old light removed, it's time to install your new one. First, connect the electrical harness to the back of your new tail light assembly, ensuring a secure fit. Next, carefully align the new assembly with the mounting holes and clips on your Tacoma. Gently push the tail light firmly into place until you hear it click, indicating it's seated correctly. Finally, reinstall the two retaining screws using your Phillips head screwdriver, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Before you finish, it's crucial to test your new tail light. Turn on your headlights, press the brake pedal, engage reverse, and activate your turn signals to confirm all functions are working correctly. Double-check that the new light is securely mounted and sits flush with the truck body. For more great content and helpful guides, remember to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you love reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.